Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look, and the products that I'm going to be using are going to be linked down in the description bar. So if you guys are interested, continue to watch and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the color C12, and I'm going to prime my lid. Alright guys, so I'm going to be going into my James Charles Morphe palettes. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking my M562 Morphe brush, and I'm going to be going in with this lime green color to blend out that harsh blue. Alright guys, and for a little security, I'm going to go in with this yellow to blend out that green, just a little security. Guys, so to cut my crease today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution in the color C1, and then just a regular flat brush. So then I'm just going to take a clean brush and pat that dry. Alright guys, so the lashes that I'm going to be using are these Best Way lashes by a girl on Instagram named Best Accessories. These are in the style 13, and I do believe that she does ship, so y'all go check her out. I will link her Instagram in the description bar. Alright guys, so for my waterline, I'm going in with the smudger brush and going in with this deep purple here and just smudging it in my lower lash line. Alright guys, and for a highlighter, I am going into this Alexis Renee by ColourPop in the color Topaz. It is a pressed powder highlight and bronzer. So I'm going to go into this shade and just highlight. Now I'm going to be setting my face with my Anastasia's Dewy Set Spray. Y'all know I love this stuff, so period. Alright guys, so this is the final look. If you guys like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. And be sure to share this with your friends on all social media platforms. And don't forget to tag me if you do try this look. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.